Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will do part I and J, which are last parts of review 2 and chapter 1. So let's see part I, round to the nearest 10. We have to change these numbers into nearest 10. Students, when 1, 2 or 3 comes at the units place, so we will round down. And when 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 comes at the units place, so we will round up. As you can see in the first question, that is 43, we will round it to nearest 10. As you can see, 3 is in the units place, so we will round down. It means it becomes 40. Alright. Now next question is 75. The 5 is at the unit place. It means we will round it up. So nearest 10 में करने के लिए we will round it up. It means 75 becomes 80. Similarly, the next question is 885. You can see 5 is at the units place, so we will round up. It becomes 890. We will round up, so it becomes 890. Similarly, in question number 10, the question is 992. As you can see, 2 is at the units place, so we will round it down. So the answer becomes 990. These are MCQ questions. Now come to the last part, which is J. A book has opening pages numbered from 1 to 4. Alright, regular pages numbered from 1 to 10 and 2 blank pages. How many pages are there altogether? First of all, I will tell you that these are the opening pages of your book. A, B, C, similarly, yes, C तक. ठीक है, alright. A to C are the opening pages of your book, and the question and number starts from 1 2. These are the opening pages of your book. So it is 1, 2, 3, next is 4. These are the regular pages of your book. In this question, he says that 1 to 4 are the opening pages and 1 to 10 are the regular pages and 2 blank pages. We have to add these 3 pages: opening pages, regular pages and blank pages. So we will write here solution. We will write the first statement. The book has opening pages. O-P-E-N-I-N-G. Opening pages. Equal to 1 to 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. These are the Roman counting. Now the book has regular pages. Which is 1 to 10. So we will add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 and plus 10. The third statement will be the book has 2 blank pages. Now we will count the total pages of a book. We will write here total pages of a book equal to opening pages plus regular pages plus blank pages. Now opening pages are 4, regular pages are 10 plus 10 and 2 blank pages. Now we will add 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 2, 16. So the total pages are 16. So we will write here the book has 16 pages. Opening pages of a book is 1 to 4. It means it includes 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And book has regular pages, that is 1 to 10. Alright, now the book has 2 blank pages, which is 2. Now we will add the opening pages plus regular pages and blank pages, which is 16. ठीक है, the book has 16 pages.